Alrighty, welcome to my Playoff Contenders 2010 box break number 4. As you can see here, it is 10:54 on April 9th, in the morning I should say. I have my unopened box. Now there's only 2 bidders. I've got a short sheet right now. Nathaniel has got Cowboys, Broncos, Lions, Packers, Texans, Colts, Vikings, and Saints. I have Todd A. with the Patriots. Now he has opted in for 5 additional random teams. So he will be getting 5 random teams from the pull, or from the break. But let's get going. These have always usually done good. Unfortunately, people don't seem to remember that these have a chance of having golden tickets in them, which is a ticket for a 14-karat gold card. I unfortunately have yet to pull one. Let's get out of here. Nothing in the box. But let's get going. I hope you guys enjoy this and come back for more. I had just completed a Topps Tier 1 baseball box last night, which went over very well. Had some very nice cards come out of it. Okay, our first card, Eli Manning for the Giants. Benjamin Watson for the Browns. Not a bad card. Rookie of the Year Contenders. Des Bryant for the Cowboys. Nice little card. Next, Steve Preston for the Cardinals. Drew Brees for the Saints. Now with these mini boxes, there's a guaranteed autograph in every box, which I think is something everybody forgets about with these mini breaks as well. Because these are hobby boxes, they're not retail. So if you guys know people into the box break stuff, let them know. I do good box breaks. I've had fabulous, remarks left. Okay, we got Troy Polamalu, however you say his last name, for the Steelers. Donald Driver for the Packers. We got a Super Bowl ticket. Not numbered, it looks like, but it's for an old one. D.D. Lewis for the Cowboys, and it is for Super Bowl 11. This is probably worth a little pretty penny. These Super Bowl tickets are usually worth some good money. I have personally gotten a couple that are worth $15-20, so that's a good pull, or a nice little hit. We have Michael Crabtree for the 49ers, and Peyton Manning for the Colts. Joe Freshman for the Buccaneers. Lee Evans for the Bills. And our hit, Garrett Graham for the Texans. An unnumbered signed rookie card. Every rookie card that's signed I pull out of these. They're never numbered, and that sucks. But that's still a good card. They usually sell for about 15 or 20 bucks a piece as well. Chris Cooley for the Redskins. And my team, Danny Woodhead for the Patriots. Shun Green for the Jets. Miles Austin for the Cowboys. Well, Cowboys are doing really good. A rookie card. Rookie roll call. Toby Garrett for the Vikings. Not numbered, unfortunately. Jonathan Stewart for the Panthers. And Darius Hayward-Bay for the Raiders. And our last pack. Frank Gore for the 49ers. Dallas Clark for the Colts. Oh, well, we got a double in this draft class for the Buccaneers. Aurelius Bean and Mike Williams. Draft class. Class of 2010. Not numbered. Brandon Lloyd for the Broncos. And Vernon Davis for the 49ers. So that's it. Todd, you'll be getting 5 random teams out of this pile and out of my personal store. Personal stock. For anything else that Nathaniel didn't get. So hope to see you guys again soon.